Move. That's not what I meant at all.
You want something to eat?
Blaze, grab your puppuccino, dude.
Well, well, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?